Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng ubadepej ia katana Textile u Giriraj Singh mentakasngi ka henriu terik Nongpoh ulawan ban Plie paidbah ia ka Integrated Textile and Tourism Center ka badan Mawdiangum Nongpoh Haribhoi District. Ha kanikasngi la Plie paidbah ru ia ka multi-day exhibition cum knowledge sharing for textile advantage program ha IITC Nongpoh Haribhoi District. Nalor Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng ha kane kasngi la sakhilang ru da ka jingya don rangkat Menteri kena ka Sarkar Pedeng ubadepej ia katana Textile Pabitra Margarita. Kumju ru ha ka jingya don rangkat Menteri katana Textile ka Sarkar Meghalaya uba medba lengdo harangkat MLA ka Nongpoh uba Meralbon Sim MLA ka Singh Dr. Celestine Lengdo ke MDC ka Nongpoh ka Kongrona Khamdej lembat kiwe de ki officer. La penpu penping ru ha kanikasngi da ka jingya simmentan nadu kinong shna jingshna kinong thanjain lembat kinong tirksai bat kabala khampau kade ka jain rendia kabala penmi na ribhoi la penlong ru da ka jingpen inam ya ki riam ki ba itanat ki bala sandur matchna kerpang da ki jain rendia.
Right now will be empty and it'll be incomplete, especially with Mr. Pabitra as well. It is with immense pride and profound joy on behalf of my department and on behalf of the people of the state that I welcome you, each and everyone, today to this momentous occasion. The inauguration of the Integrated Textile and Tourism Center right here in this place at the ITTC Handloom and Sericulture Complex here in Nongpoh. The inauguration of this ITTC today is indeed a historic and red letter day, marking the culmination of the coming together of tradition, skill, and strategic vision for the economic and cultural future of Meghalaya through textiles and fabrics. This initiative will also propel its handloom sector on the national and even in the international framework as well. This project perfectly exemplifies the intergovernmental partnership. I must first extend my deepest gratitude to the Ministry of Textile, to the Honorable Union Minister and Minister of State from the Government of India. And also the Development Commissioner, Madam Amrit Raj, well, she has to leave back to Guwahati, who looks after the handicrafts, for their unwavering faith and generous support to the state of Meghalaya, particularly to the Department of Textile. Under the Northeast Regional Textile Promotion Scheme, which has resulted in this ITTC. The visionary project, managed meticulously by the Department of Textiles and Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving of the Government of Meghalaya, represents a total investment of 7.98 crores. This substantial central funding has transformed what was once just a dream and a blueprint into a vibrant and dynamic textile hub, which is now a functioning reality.
Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and even then, thank you, sir, on behalf of Northeast India. Thank you. Yes, thank you. It's a big round of applause in honor of Giriraj Singh ji. And I do not know whether I should say it now, but I had heard that he was speaking to Honorable Minister of Textiles, my dear brother Lingdo, that Mr. Lingdo, you speak to our officials and you just speak to your Chief Minister that if you submit a proposal for weaving service center or something like that, I may think over that. So before he announces, I just had a year to listen to it. Something was discussed like this. So we do hope that in days to come we will get such good news for our Meghalaya, for the Northeast. And we should always take pride that out of the total numbers of handlooms in India is 35 lakhs, plus minus. 3.5 million handlooms, almost same numbers of weavers are there in India. It's not 35 lakhs. And it's a matter of immense pride to be a Northeastern, to say that 52% of this total population, the numbers of handlooms are here in our Northeast. Out of 35 lakhs, we have 50% in Northeast India. And of course, our Meghalaya is a stakeholder. So this Rindia, this Antheria semensis, which is popularly known as Muga, Eri, these are basically produced and in our state of Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal, Assam, better to say the Northeast as a whole. So that is why Aditya Giriraj Singh ji, under the guidance and inspiration from our Honorable Prime Minister, we are focusing for the overall development of our handloom and handicraft sector of Northeast. So in the next month, not this month only, so all the textile ministers of India, of different states, will assemble in Guwahati. And of course, this assembly's primary focus will be Northeast. So actually I had prepared one speech, but I think better we should listen to our Honorable Minister. And thank you, Ming. Ming is my friend of last 2 decades. And he has curated and designed this thing, state of the art. And we always take pride of you. And I'm a fan of the Meghalaya soccer team as well, I should say. So, finally, I would like to conclude mentioning it that known to all of us. Narendra Modi ji considers Northeast to be.
पवित्रा जी कह रहे थे 65, मैंने गिनती करके निकाला 78 times he comes in North East. और more than 700 times visit Minister of Council, more than आ गए गुवाहाटी से more than 700 times, और वो कोई टूरिस्ट बन के नहीं आए, कभी आए एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, कभी आए अपने डिपार्टमेंट के बेटर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, और क्या हो सकता है। और मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि जितने बार 11 साल में प्राइम मिनिस्टर आए 78 टाइम्स, शायद 10 साल में मनमोहन सिंह आसाम से राज्यसभा सदस्य थे। कितने बार? 8 बार, 78 में 8 78 टाइम्स और 8 टाइम्स, और उनके मिनिस्टर भी नहीं आए होंगे। ये बताता है कि देश के अंदर नरेंद्र मोदी का नॉर्थ ईस्ट के प्रति क्या भाव है। और 2014 तक नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जीडीपी था 5 से 6% ग्रोथ रेट, आज 12 से 13% है। किसी राज्य का उससे भी अधिक है। मैं तो एवरेज नॉर्थ ईस्ट का बोल रहा हूं। और ये सेंटर, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर, पवित्रा जी ने भारत टैक्स की बात की। मेरे मन में, मैं मिनिस्टर साहब से बात कर रहा था और सेक्रेटरी से, ये आपके लिए भी बेटर होगा। यहाँ बायर सेलर भारत टैक्स की तरह नॉर्थ ईस्ट टैक्स, पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के प्रोडक्ट को सबको आमंत्रित करें, डिपार्टमेंट इसमें कोऑर्डिनेशन भारत सरकार करे। है इसका तो वो हैंडलूम और हैंडीक्राफ्ट है। और मेरे मन में, मैं यहाँ के डीडीसी है, डीसी को भी मैं कहूंगा या कह चुका हूं, एक मॉडल बनाने के लिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सेरिकल्चर में मूंगा की यहाँ पे कल्चर 1 एकड़ में 4 से 5 लाख रुपया किसानों को मिले। इसकी तैयारी हम आज पूरे प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर के साथ मिलकर के बनाया। यहाँ लगभग 2000 एकड़ में मूंगा की सेरिकल्चर के लिए फार्मिंग हो रहा है। लेकिन बेस्ट कैसे हो? आज मूंगा के धागे 35,000 पर केजी, एक एकड़ में अगर 60,000 60,000 कुकुन हम मिनिमम पैदा कर सकते हैं। मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम तो और ज्यादा जाएगा। ये बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए एक फ्रेमवर्क हमने तैयार की है। आज उसमें डीसी थे और हैंडलूम के स्टेट डायरेक्टर और जॉइंट डायरेक्टर।